Legal dictation. Start. On careful consideration of the suggestions given by the learned amicus curiae, this court is of the view that in order to implement Section 21B of the Hindu Marriage Act in their true letter and spirit, all petitions under the Hindu Marriage Act should be accompanied by an affidavit of assets, income and expenditure of the petitioner. Full stop. If the spouse claiming the maintenance is petitioner, application under Section 24 is filed along with the petition, whereas if the spouse claiming maintenance is respondent, the application under Section 24 along with 90, the affidavit of assets, income and expenditure of the respondent be filed within 30 days of the service of the 110 notice. Full stop. The response of the affidavit of assets, income and expenditure of the respondent be filed by the petitioner within 2 weeks, and the trial court should thereafter take up the application under Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, full stop, with respect to Sections 25 and 27 of the Hindu Marriage Act. The well settled principles need to be followed. Full stop. Para. In view of the above facts and circumstances, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the revisionist submitted that the impugned judgment is bad in law, as the same was passed without considering the facts of the case and without perusing the documents materials on record. Full stop. It is therefore prayed that the judgment dated 27th November 2017 passed by the learned principal judge be modified and the quantum of maintenance be enhanced. Full stop. Para. Per contra, respondent in person vehemently opposed the instant revision petition and submitted that the same is based on false, vague, concocted, frivolous and fictitious facts. Full stop. It is submitted that the settlement was arrived at between the parties on 15th November 2008 and on 21st March 2009. The revisionist wife had received rupees 3 lakhs as per of her items. Therefore, she is not entitled for any further maintenance. Full stop. The respondent submitted that the present petition is not maintainable as the revisionist wife is living separately on her own accord. Full stop. The gross allegations of the revisionist wife regarding abuse or ill treatment on account of alleged demand of dowry are totally false and are nothing but tactics to extort money from him. Full stop. Para. It is submitted that the revisionist wife is a graduate and is capable enough to work and earn money for herself, whereas the respondent himself is only a 5th standard pass. Full stop. Moreover, he is living in a rented property and has to take care of his old and ailing parents as well as for which he does not have sufficient means. Full stop. It is submitted that if the maintenance is enhanced, he will suffer miserably and will not be able to survive with the minimum means available. Full stop. Para. It is further submitted that the court below has passed a well-reasoned judgment after considering the entire facts of the case as well as the evidence, documents and other materials available on record related to the income of the respondent. Full stop. In the instant case, there are no errors apparent on the facts or record and there is no illegality committed by the court below. Full stop. Therefore, the instant petition is devoid of merits and is therefore liable to be dismissed. Full stop. This court has heard learned counsel of the revisionist and respondent in person at length and perused the record. Full stop. Thank you.